My name is Chris from Tyler, Texas, and I am a practicing chiropractor in Tyler, and I've been having severe back problems really for about 2 years, 2 months, and I've really tried everything naturally. I took a very holistic approach to finding some relief, and I was recommended by several neurosurgeons that surgery was the only thing that was going to help me. Several orthopedics told me surgery was the only thing that was going to help me. And I was really deathly afraid of just the conventional surgery, just because the surgery is so, in my opinion, barbaric, where they have to go in and cut some of the thickest muscles in the entire body, start chipping away at bone, and all this to relieve just a small, just few millimeters of disc that I was having problems with. It just didn't seem like it made sense to me. And the scariest part of it was I was going to have anywhere between 8 and 12 weeks of healing time. So this is when I started doing my research day and night. It's kind of funny when you start hurting day and night, what you start doing to try to figure out a solution, and that means you read a lot. And I came across Dr. Ditzworth here in Los Angeles, and I knew when I read about his procedure using the scope instead of all of these barbaric techniques that this is what I wanted to do. It was a situation where even my insurance really didn't pay for it. I was going to have to pay for it out of pocket, but for me, knowing that I was going to be able to get up and walk around the same day of the surgery and not have 8 to 12 weeks of downtime meant that I could be getting on with my life and just living life to the fullest. And I'm confident. I'm less than 24 hours post-surgery. I'm up, I'm walking around. All of the neurological symptoms that were going down my leg, down in my groin, causing all the weakness, foot drop, all those things are gone already. They were gone when I left the surgery center yesterday, and I can tell a huge difference. And I know it's just going to get better from here. This is just the beginning. I've been able to sit. I've been able to go from a sit to stand without that excruciating burning or weakness or radiating pain going down my leg. I hadn't experienced that since the surgery yesterday. So I'm super excited about where we're going to be really in the next month or two. And I'm just looking forward to having 100% recovery and just being able to do all the things I love to do. And most importantly, get back to seeing my patients. And if you're in a situation where you kind of feel trapped and you don't really know which direction to go, I would highly recommend this process. I know Dr. Ditzworth is one of the only ones in the world, or the only one in the world that does this, and it really didn't matter to me how much it cost or how far away from home it was, because I knew I was going to be better quicker, and that's ultimately what mattered to me.